Can TikTok actually be an income stream? As many of you know, TikTok is a social media platform with over 300 million active monthly users. But what you might not know is there's actually 5 ways to make money from TikTok. So if you're interested, make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Chris, and today we're gonna be answering the question, can you make money from TikTok? And the answer is definitely yes. Some of the most popular TikTok creators can make anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 for each sponsored post that they make. But can the average person also make money from TikTok? The 5 ways to earn income from TikTok are: number 1, the Creator Fund, which I'm sure most of you have heard of. Number 2, sponsorships and sponsored posts. The next way is by smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'm just kidding, that's not gonna actually earn you any money, but it really helps the channel and it means a lot to me. Number 3, donations from live stream. Number 4, it's affiliate links. And number 5, brand new TikTok Shopify integration. Now, let's go into detail for each one of these. The TikTok Creator Fund is the most well-known form of payment from TikTok. Now, the payment is relatively low. It's only about 3 cents per every 1,000 views. And TikTok has pledged to grow this fund to over $1 billion to be paid out to creators over the next 3 years. Now, a few requirements to be eligible for the Creator Fund: you must be over the age of 18, you must also have over 10,000 followers, and you must have over 10,000 views over the past 30 days. So basically all you do to withdraw your funds, you're gonna wanna click on balance, and then you're gonna wanna click on income plus. You link your account. So I linked my PayPal account and withdraw my entire total, $206.65. Let's do it. Oh man, I have literally waited like 6 months to do this. There we go, it's withdrawn. So let's see if my PayPal, if it's already received it. I don't know how long it takes. Wow, TikTok has already sent my earnings to PayPal. That is the first official money I've made directly from TikTok. Let's talk about the second way that you can monetize TikTok, and that's through sponsorships. Now, I know what you might be thinking, that you need to be a big account to get sponsorships. That's not necessarily true. There's this app I've been using. It's called Duet. And what this app does is it connects creators on TikTok with brands that are wanting to make sponsored content. Basically, these sponsorships will range anywhere from $50 payout all the way up to $800. And I'm serious, I've actually seen this before. And all you do is you apply. Sometimes the companies will just ask for a video that they can use for advertising purposes. And other times, these companies are gonna want you to also post the video on your own account. Either way, this is a fantastic way to start earning income from your TikTok following. And it's a great way to meet other TikTok creators. The app has a daily For You page function where it connects you to another content creator on TikTok, and it lets you collaborate and meet new people. And I've actually done a couple of these sponsors already. The main one I did was for this Ridge wallet. This is $125 in value that I got completely for free. And that's another cool thing with Duet, is that you get free stuff along with actual payment. So if you're interested, I highly recommend checking them out. I left my link in the description. Third way to make income from TikTok is with live stream donations. And this is different from the first two because this is your audience sending you money directly. Whoever's watching has the chance to send you stickers and emojis. And for users to purchase these stickers, it costs coins, which is TikTok's form of currency. So when you receive these stickers and these emojis during your live stream, it means that your audience is enjoying your content, they might want to help you out, and it can add up. Now, I've heard that you have to have around 100,000 followers to actually make any good money from this specific stream of revenue, but nonetheless, live streaming is a really cool way to make a little bit of extra pocket change while still connecting with your audience and having a good time. The fourth way to make income from TikTok is with affiliate links. Now, this is a really unique strategy that I've been seeing more and more people doing on TikTok. And basically what they do is they'll review a product. They'll make a video about something that they use often or just really had a good experience with. And then they'll link that product in their bio on their profile. TikTok lets you put a web link in your bio. So something that you could do is if you create a Linktree, which is basically just a single link that you can click and it brings you to another page with a lot of links. You can start to create a Linktree with Amazon affiliate links or with links that you get from ClickBank. And basically every time you review a product, you put that link in your Linktree. So someone on TikTok might see your video, they might go to your profile, click that link. From there, if they choose to purchase an item that you recommended, you'll make anywhere from 2 to 12% commission, which is not bad. And then the fifth way to make income from TikTok is the new integration with Shopify. So e-commerce types are really gonna love this. Now I have a quote from the vice president of Shopify to go ahead and give more details about this. We're thrilled to be the first partner to welcome TikTok to the world of commerce. TikTok is one of the world's fastest growing entertainment platforms with over 100 million highly engaged users in the US alone. The TikTok channel allows merchants to create and connect their TikTok for Business account to deploy in-feed shoppable video ads directly within Shopify. So this is huge for the e-commerce world, and dare I say, game changing. So altogether, how much money have I actually made from TikTok? Overall, from my creator fund, I've made $252. Now, when you add on what I've made from sponsorships, which is only $70 so far, right there, that is $322. And then this Ridge wallet was $125 in value. That's $447 in value that I've earned from TikTok. So what would I rate TikTok on the side hustle review scale? I would give TikTok a 7.45. TikTok is not very passive. You have to be very consistent creating content almost daily. And TikTok is not very lucrative. Well, at least at first it's not. But where TikTok shines is how easy it is to go viral and how easy it is to build an audience. With TikTok, you're basically getting underpriced attention.
Where's what I call underpriced attention?
And in the modern world, attention is almost more valuable than dollars. And as you're growing your following, there's gonna be more and more monetary opportunities. And your earnings from this stream of revenue are just gonna be parabolic, especially once you start to gain real momentum. Now, as a thank you for sticking with me until the end, I have a bonus about how you can make money from TikTok. And that's with a website called Playlist Push. What this website does is it connects TikTok creators to new up-and-coming music artists. You get paid to include certain songs in your TikTok videos. Now, to qualify for Playlist Push, you need to have around 30,000 followers. And your payout per song really depends on how many followers you have. But for the average person, you can expect to make anywhere from $10 to $12 for every video you create with a song from the Playlist Push library. So if you're making one video a day using a song from Playlist Push, and you expect to make around $10, that's over $300 simply for including music in your videos, which most of us include music in our videos anyways. So Playlist Push seems like an awesome side hustle that I'm really excited to get started with. And lastly, we've been talking this entire video about how to make money from TikTok, but we haven't talked about how to actually grow a following on TikTok. Main pieces of advice I have is number one, stay consistent. And number two, lean into what you love. Also, it's really important to just keep creating even when you don't feel like it. Don't let the views bother you. Don't analyze every one of your videos, and don't delete videos. Post your videos, be confident in them, and just keep creating and having fun with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can stay updated with my daily life. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you next time. Tick tock on the clock, the party don't stop.